Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you through how to find out who unfollowed you on Instagram. Instagram doesn't notify you when someone unfollows you, but there are a few ways to figure it out. Let's go step by step. First, open your Instagram app and make sure you're already logged in. Once you're on your home screen, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now that you're on your profile page, tap on followers count on the top. This will show you a list of everyone who is currently following your account. From here, you can manually search for a specific user that you suspect may have unfollowed you. Simply type their username into the search bar. If they don't appear in this list, that means you've either unfollowed you or deactivated their account. If you have a large number of followers, it can be time consuming to manually check on who unfollowed you. This is where third-party apps come into play. There are several apps available that can track your follower activity, helping you to see who unfollowed you. Some of the most popular options include Followers and Unfollowers, Follow Meter, or Reports Plus. Here's how you can use one of these apps to find out who unfollowed you. First, download and install the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and log in using your Instagram credentials. Don't worry, these apps don't post or interact on your account. After logging in, the app will analyze your Instagram account and give you detailed information about your followers, including who has recently unfollowed you. Please keep in mind, while these third-party apps can be useful, it's important to choose ones that are trustworthy and don't compromise your account security. Always read reviews and make sure the app is reputable. And that's it. You know now how to find out who has unfollowed you on Instagram, either manually by checking your followers list or by using a third-party app to track changes. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips and updates. If you have any questions or want me to cover up another topic, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.